You don't need years of experience to start selling services today. You don't need a degree or certifications. Right now, AI tools are helping beginners deliver real services to real clients and get paid. Today, I'll show you AI services you can sell with zero experience. Let's start. First, understand this clearly. Clients don't ask, "Are you an expert?" They ask, "Can you solve this problem?" AI helps you solve problems faster. That's your entry point. Service number 1, AI caption writing. Businesses post daily on social media. They need captions constantly. You use AI to generate caption batches. Then adjust tone. Match brand voice. Deliver ready-to-post text. Simple work. High demand. Service number 2, AI content summaries. People hate long documents. Reports, articles, meeting notes. You use AI to create clear summaries. Short, structured, action-focused. This is beginner-friendly. Service number 3, AI blog draft creation. Website owners need article drafts. You generate structured first drafts with AI. Then clean grammar, improve flow, deliver polished version. You're not inventing, you're refining. Service number 4, AI subtitle cleanup. AI subtitle tools make mistakes, timing issues, wrong words, bad formatting. You correct and deliver clean subtitle files. Video creators need this often. Service number 5, AI email drafting. Small businesses send emails weekly. Promotions, announcements, follow-ups. You generate email drafts with AI. Then tailor to business style. Package as email bundles. Service number 6, AI product descriptions. Online stores need descriptions for every product. AI creates base text. You optimize clarity and benefits. Deliver in batches. Fast turnaround service. Service number 7, AI resume rewriting. Job seekers want better resumes. You use AI to rewrite resumes for specific roles. Stronger wording, better structure, keyword optimized, high perceived value. Service number 8, AI script formatting. Creators have rough ideas, notes, bullet points, messy drafts. You turn them into structured scripts using AI support. Hook, flow, call to action, clean delivery. Service number 9, AI prompt packs. Many users don't know how to prompt. You create ready-made prompt packs for marketing, finance tracking, content writing. Sell once, sell many times. Digital product bonus. Important reminder now. You are not selling AI output. You are selling finished results. Always edit. Always review. Always improve. That's what clients pay for. Beginner strategy. Pick one service. Practice with 5 samples. Build mini portfolio. Then offer it on freelance platforms or direct outreach. Speed matters more than perfection at the beginning. Deliver on time. Communicate clearly. Improve each job. That builds momentum. Zero experience does not mean zero value. With AI, your learning curve is faster than ever. Use tools wisely. Deliver real help. Get paid. Start small. Start simple. Start now. Your first AI service client is closer than you think. If you want practical AI tools to earn more, save time and stay relevant, subscribe to Bivaz e Finance. No hype, just what works.